In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for ETF and index fund interest, fast and easy. Whether you're an investor trying to gauge market interest or simply curious about how these terms trend over time, this tutorial will provide you with all the insights you need. First, let's start by heading over to Google Trends. Open up your preferred web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you should see the official Google Trends page as the first result. Give that link a click to open up the main Google Trends interface. Upon arriving at the Google Trends homepage, you'll notice an option to explore various trends. Click on the Explore button to dive deeper into specific topics and trends you're curious about. In the search bar that appears, you can enter specific keywords related to ETFs and index funds. Try typing in terms like ETF, Index Fund, S&P 500 Index Fund, Vanguard ETF, or Best ETFs. Once you've entered your chosen keywords, press the Enter key to generate and view the trend graphs. These trend graphs are a fantastic way to see how interest in these topics ebbs and flows over time. To tailor this information to your specific needs, you can adjust the location and time range at the top of the chart. Choose a region or country that's relevant to your analysis and set the time range to either the past 12 months to understand recent interest or expand it to the past 5 years for a broader perspective. As you examine the trends, keep an eye out for spikes, which can be indicative of recent market news, newly launched ETFs, or market volatility. Uptrends can signal growing public interest, providing you with an excellent opportunity for content creation or investment. Conversely, downtrends might suggest a waning interest, which could influence your decisions differently. Scrolling down further will reveal sections for related topics and queries. This part of Google Trends is particularly useful as it highlights popular funds, sectors, platforms like Vanguard or iShares, and even common questions such as ETF versus index fund, or how to invest in ETFs. Another powerful feature of Google Trends is the ability to compare multiple ETFs or index funds directly. To utilize this, click the Plus Compare button. You could, for instance, compare the S&P 500 ETF with the NASDAQ ETF or an index fund against a mutual fund to see which is garnering more attention at the moment. You can also compare multiple commodities, such as the gold price to the silver price or gold investment versus real estate investment, to determine which assets are currently capturing public interest. And that wraps up our guide on using Google Trends to investigate ETF and index fund interest. By following these steps, you can effortlessly keep your finger on the pulse of investment trends and make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both insightful and practical.